In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Jotform public. This simple yet comprehensive guide is designed to help you share your form with the world, perfect for gathering responses for any occasion, from event RSVPs to customer feedback. Let's start by navigating to Jotform's main page. If you're not familiar, Jotform is a leading online form builder that lets you create custom forms for your needs. Once you're on their homepage, you'll want to access your forms, which means we need to log in. Click on the login button located typically at the top right corner of the page. If you're a returning user, this step is straightforward. However, if this is your first time, consider signing up. It's quick and easy. After clicking on login, you have several options depending on how you've set up your account. Many users appreciate the convenience of logging in with Google, but you might have connected Jotform to a different platform. Choose the method that applies to you and proceed to sign in. Once logged in, you're directed to the dashboard. Here you'll see all the forms you've created listed under My Forms. If you've got quite a few forms, don't worry. Jotform organizes everything neatly to help you find the form you need. Speaking of which, locating the form you wish to make public is your next step. Hover over the form of your choice and you'll see an Edit Form option appear. Clicking this takes you into the Form Builder interface, a powerful tool that allows for deep customization of your forms. Now, for the main event, making your form public, look for the Publish tab at the top of the Form Builder. This is where Jotform gives you all the tools you need to share your form with the world. Once in the Publish section, your attention should turn to the Settings. Specifically, you're looking for an option labeled Public Form. Settings might seem like a small part of this process, but it's actually where a lot of the magic happens. Here you're given control over how your form is accessed and who gets to see it. By setting your form to public, you're ensuring that anyone with the link can view and fill out your form. This is especially helpful for broad surveys, public registrations, or any scenario where you're looking to cast a wide net for responses. After clicking Public Form, you've essentially completed the process. But before you move on, let's talk a bit about sharing your newly public form. Jotform generates a direct link to your form, which you can easily copy and share through email, social media, or any other platform you prefer. It's all about getting your form in front of the right people in the most efficient way possible. Before we wrap up, it's worth noting a few best practices for sharing your form. First, consider your audience and the best way to reach them. Social media platforms can be ideal for casual surveys or fun questionnaires, while email might be more appropriate for professional or targeted inquiries. Also, remember to double-check your form for any errors or typos before sharing. First impressions are crucial, and you'll want to ensure your form is impeccable. Making your Jotform public is a simple yet powerful way to gather information, feedback, or whatever data you need from a broad audience. Whether you're planning an event, conducting research, or just curious about people's opinions, public forms can be your gateway to valuable insights. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step, or in this case, a single form. Go ahead, make your form public, and start gathering those responses. Happy form building!